Hi, Santa. I think you've produced two good posters here for the coffee shop project. You've chosen reasonable images, uh, reasonable font choices. The color schemes seem to be working. Uh, but between the two, I'm not sure which one is the grid poster and which one is the freeform poster. You have elements of both evident in both of these. With a grid poster, there's supposed to be obvious vertical and horizontal axes that are basically shown by type alignment, through alignment of images, those kinds of things. With the freeform poster, you can do whatever you want, basically, and the idea is that you make a dynamic composition that still communicates the message of your whatever the message is. And here you're doing both of those. So you've got a couple of strong um, uh, vertical axes where the types align, but then also you're trying to give some sense of motion here. Here there's a good sense of motion. There's some text alignment here and here, but overall it's kind of a looser feel to it. So between the two, I'm not sure which is the freeform, which is the grid. So what I would like to see is taking one of these, really putting it on a grid, making sure that the text is aligned either to the right or to the left, or justified both to the right and left, getting the images aligned that way. And then with the freeform, making a really interesting composition. You can run type diagonally, horizontally, vertically, on and off the page. Something's huge, something's quite small. But with both of these, I also think a sense of hierarchy, visual hierarchy is needed, making sure that some things are huge, and those would be the things that our eyes would go to first. Here looking at this composition, this has the same visual impact as this, and our eye gets confused. So making sure you're directing us to what you want us to see. Like I said, you're off to a good start, but I think both the freeform and the grid could be pushed further, okay? Make sure you send these back to me for a grade, and then include the revised versions in your portfolio due later in the week.